This is Saloni.
I'm Saloni Blade. I'm here because The Guardian are completely biased in their reporting. There's no neutrality at all. They're demonising Hindus, looking up to us to be the oppressors when we're actually the victims of the perpetrators. They're glorifying the perpetrators and dehumanising us as victims, calling us fascists, calling us Nazis, when we're nothing of the sort. We are, even the photographer here from the Telegraph said, I've always seen Hindus as peaceful, and we are, just like the Buddhists in Myanmar, they're peaceful, and all we are doing is standing up for ourselves, and they don't like that, because they can't control you when they see you standing up and fighting back, or at least speaking up. We're not fighting, we're just peaceful people. We're here saying no more lies. The Guardian has to be accountable.
It's Amit Kataria. I only want to state that Hindus are the most peaceful global people all over the world. They believe in coordinating with each other and living in a peaceful manner all over the world. You name the country and you will find them settled there without any hindrance.
Biased towards the Hindus. Biased towards the Hindus. Yes.
They say something against us, but they do not understand that we believe in peace and harmony to stay together. Thank you.
Introduce yourself and then.
My name is Padula. I am part of the Hindu Indian diaspora group. The reason I'm here is I am absolutely fed up of all the negative press that have been saying about us Hindus. And we have been crucified for the last 40 years, and we have kept quiet about this. Now it's time for us to wake up and show the world that we're not going to take any of their crap about us. So stop penalising us, stop burning our temples, stop everything about us. Otherwise, as we have woken up now, we are going to fight till our bloods are on the floor.
I'm Dr. Vivek. I've come from Oxford to protest against The Guardian. They're writing so much against Hindus, Hinduphobia, BJP, RSS. They are just telling lies. And we have come here to protest against the lies and Hinduphobia they are spreading. And they write baseless articles without any proof or anything. So we have come here today, all of us Indians from India and who are British citizens, to protest against the writing what Guardian does against Hindus in general without any proof. They call us Hindus, they call us right wing, they call us anarchists, fascists, and fascists, anything, any word which comes to them. But when it comes to the jihadis, they call them Asians. If they do grooming gangs, they are not Pakistanis, they are not Iranis, they are not Afghanis, they are Asians. But to us, they call us Hindus and they call us, spread all the lies.
very strong message to the Guardian that you should now stop and tone down your anti-India, anti-Hindu narrative, because we are not going to put up with it anymore. We will be coming here again and again, because what you are doing is you are creating a hatred for the Hindu community in UK by sending stories from India which continuously talk about Hindu extremists and Hindu this and Hindu that, and they're all biased stories, they're fake stories, they're half-truths, and they're demonizing our community. So we are here to tell the Guardian today, stop this, tone it down, otherwise we'll be coming here again and again, and we will make sure that the Guardian gets a very bad image internationally. As it is, this news is now going over all over India and other places.
Thank you, Nitin bhai. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Hello, Arif bhai. Please share something. This is Arif Ajakya, a famous Sanatani Hindu. Arif bhai, please, you are live on YouTube.
Yeah, I stand here against the biased journalism, yellow journalism of Guardian and other institutes against Hindus who are the most peaceful people on earth. I always say that a Hindu neighbor is the best neighbor because you never have a problem from Hindus. And these people are calling us Hindutva extremists and I don't know what else. But we are peace-loving, peaceful people and we always coexist and we believe in coexistence. And Hindus are the most productive people anywhere they go, in America, in Europe, anywhere Hindus are always productive. In UK jails, Hindus population is virtually 0%.
Thank you, Arif bhai. Thank you very much. Anybody?
Well,
Yeah, go ahead. Please, your name, introduce yourself.
I'm Bharat Patel,
Bharat Patel is here.
and I'm protesting. Well, we are all protesting here against not only Guardian but against all Western media for their fake narratives and biased reporting against India and against Hindus. And we Hindus are a very peaceful community in UK. It has been established that we are number one in
revenue generating everywhere. We are
Taxpayer, we are the
we are the
very
most
high
taxpayer
taxpayer people.
and we are
And
very
peace-loving people.
law abiding, and so it is now time for us to stand up against this Western media, against the fake narratives.
We have gathered here to show to the world that we are the most peace-loving people on earth and we are not extremists. We are victims of extremism. And we have always coexisted with all the people, all the group of people, and we will keep doing so. We don't accept biased journalism. We don't accept allegations that are put on us. We are victims. We are not attackers or extremists.
And I really am with this movement of, certain
Peaceful protest.
Sorry?
Peaceful
very
protest.
peaceful, quiet protest against the Guardian newspaper for publishing malicious news and fake news, in fact. So, I think it's time they stopped it, and this extends to other Western media as well. Thank you very much.